Let's unbox Casio's first ever mechanical watch. I have the two versions of the Casio mechanical watch, one in stainless steel and one in carbon. By the weight, I think this is the stainless steel watch. The packaging is almost similar to all the edifices you see out there. It has the edifice logo and the serial number, and you have the EFK 100D7ADR, which is the stainless steel version. And let's unbox this. You have the standard edifice box. Once you open that, you're greeted with the warranty card as well as module 5755 catalog, and you have the watch inside. It's covered with this premium plastic wrapping, and once inside you have the watch in white color, and again it's eco-friendly packaging from Casio. So we'll keep this aside and remove the sticker from this watch. And this is the stainless steel version in white dial. It actually looks very cool in person, and this was one of the best colorways in the stainless steel variant. You have a blue, you have a green, as well as you have a carbon black. The carbon variant dial is cooler. After that, it's the stainless steel. The other two colors are not that interesting. So you have the stainless steel dial with this carbon. It's not a carbon, but more of a Grand Seiko kind of textured dial in this. And you also have a date marker over here. The watch is very premium and has a good weight to it. It is also quite thick compared to other watches, and you have a good clasp as well over here and an open case back as well. So I'll give you more details about this watch in my review coming next week. So let's unbox the carbon variant, which I'm really excited about. I'll keep this watch aside. Yes, the carbon variant. It's much lighter and it's the same packaging as that one, but it costs little more than the stainless steel version. Model number is EFK 100XPB1ADR for the carbon variant. So let's unbox the carbon variant. Again, you have a catalog over here, which is the module 5755, the warranty card, and the carbon variant. Again, wrapped in this plastic sheet. Look at it. And again, eco-friendly packaging from Casio. We'll set this aside. This watch is much different from what the stainless steel version was. And you have a sticker here. I'll peel this off. Another sticker over here. It has this foldable clasp and it's a rubber strap as well. So I'll just remove this over here and open the foldable clasp, which... Yes, I opened the foldable clasp, which is not carbon but stainless steel. It's in black. You have the edifice logo over here and the watch. Wow. It is quite difficult to see it in the camera. It's much more dark and the loom is not the greatest in this watch. I've just unboxed it. I've not even set the time in this watch. So let's set the time here to 10:10. Yeah. Let me just increase the brightness so that you can see the watch much more clearly. It's too bright, but for the watch, you'll have to see it. The indices are of black silver, so the visibility is quite difficult in the watch, but the finish of the carbon is much superior in this watch. And you have an open case back as well with the Seiko movement inside. It's a carbon case. It has a lot of carbon designs going on here. I felt like when I saw the Tissot PRX, it looked like a mini Casio version of the Tissot PRX carbon. I would say this is something different from Casio, and I really appreciate the effort. These were the unboxing of the mechanical Casios, and I'll see you in the more detailed video next week about these watches after using them. Today was when I got the watch and I immediately made a video, so this is brand new and out of the box. So I haven't explored these watches as such. If you want to know more about these watches, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're new to this channel as well, please do check out my previous videos as well. See you next. Until then, peace out.